Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I have got to introduce you to my new kitchen friend. These wooden utensils have made my life so much easier. In fact, I love them so much that I got rid of all my other cooking utensils and I just use these. I use them every day. It's a 7-piece set. It comes with spatulas, a strainer spoon for vegetables, a ladle, and even a spoon rest for your countertops or your stove. And I've got to say, they are just wonderful to work with. I love that they're lightweight. I love how durable they are. I think that's my favorite feature about them. I'm not easy on my cookware. I cook every day for a family of 4, and this cookware set can take on everything that my crazy life throws at it. Another thing that thrilled me greatly was that these skinny spatulas can fit perfectly into a can. So you can scrape the sides of your can with your spatula. They've got long handles on them, so anything that you're cooking, these cooking utensils can take it on. I am so glad that I made the change to these beautiful wooden utensils. Not only are they useful, but they are also beautiful and give my kitchen a little pick-me-up. I also love that you can throw them in the dishwasher when they're dirty. So if you're in the market for some new cooking utensils, then you have found them. They also make a great gift for a loved one.
And that's my point of view.